Hi everyone, my name is Saloni and this is my Flatiron Phase 5 project. For this project, I've built an e-commerce site. This is going to be a quick demo. If you would like to see the full detailed video explaining how I implemented this, I will put a link down below. So for this project, I've built an e-commerce site where you can see all these products that are here. I can add those items to the cart. So once you click on add to the item, you can just simply go to the checkout and you can see that item has been added to the cart. I can also see the details of that product as well. So you can also see that if 2 items are left or 3 items are left. This only shows when you have less than 5 items in the inventory left. So it's going to kind of like create an urgency for the user that you only have this many items left. But you can also add it to the cart from here. Let's go ahead and shop a little bit more. So I'm just going to add this agenda to my profile and let's go ahead and do a checkout. So when you do a checkout, you can continue as a guest or you can sign in. Right now we're in the guest checkout, but if we sign in, all these products that I have in my cart should move over to my actual account cart. So let's see how does that work. First, if we click on continuous checkout, you can see it's just a normal procedure. You would go through the shipping and then you would pay for your stuff. But you can just simply sign in, and I'm going to sign in. Once you're logged in, you can see your avatar, your profile picture, and you can see the products that were in the guest checkout before and now they are in your cart. You can simply go to checkout and you can add the shipping details, and I'm just gonna add all these details. So once you go to proceed to payment, now you will see the Stripe checkout popping up. Here we're just going to use the developer card number that they give you from the Stripe API, and then you're just going to put all this information for your card, and then you're going to hit the pay now. After you do that, your payment would be processed and it will say thank you for your order. So you can continue shopping if you would like, but let me just refresh the Stripe payment. So this is our last payment that we just processed. I'm just going to go ahead and click on that, and I can see the information that I passed in from the front end. This is that information, and I can also see that in the payment intent. So I can see all my transactions and everything here. So you can see this is my shipping address. You could add the billing address and so much more. You can even send the receipt if you would like to the user for their transaction. Now let's go ahead and move on to the next feature. You can also filter them by category, or you can search them by their name. So let's quickly show that. Okay, so as a user, I can see my own orders like you see before. It's just loading. Okay, so you can see your own products, your orders, and I can see that I have this and this item that I placed the order for. So let's go ahead and sign out and now sign in as a seller. Once you're signed in as a seller, you can change a few things about a product that you have listed. So let's take a look at a few of the changes that we see right off the hand. If you go to the profile, you can see if you click on the listings, you should be able to see all the listings of the products that you have. And these are all the products unlisted, and you can also see the inventory, how much you left. You can search for those listings as well. For buyer orders, you can see all the orders that users have placed, and you can see this is the last order we placed, $40, and we bought it from this buyer, and we can see their products right here. Now, this seller can also purchase products, but if they are sold by another sellers. So at the moment, we do not have any product from another seller, but they can also purchase that. And then you can, once you click on the product, you can edit the listing. For example, if I want to change the quantity for this one, let's make it that I only have 2 left. I'm going to save that change, and you will see that it now gives me the alert, but it didn't give me that before. You can also see the seller who is selling that item. You can also deactivate that listing. That would just not show it in the front. So once it's deactivated, you can see you go back there. You no longer see those pens. So you can also edit your profile. You can edit your username, password, or profile picture. So let's go ahead and change the profile picture for this user. I'm just going to use this one. Let's change it. And now you can see the new profile picture. We can also update their username if we want to. Let's just add and now that is their updated username. You would only see the usernames if you comment on somebody's product. So for example, I can go to this product, and at the moment, you can see another user has put their reviews. So I can see, while they both have the same profile picture, now that updated a username and their review as well. So that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.